Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute a friend's chat notifications on Snapchat for 24 hours using the latest app update. If you've ever been flooded with messages when you're trying to focus, relax, or just take a break, this feature is a lifesaver. The best part is, you won't have to block or unfriend anyone, just temporarily silence the notifications. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on My Friends to see your full friends list. Now, scroll through your list and find the friend whose notifications you want to mute. Once you find them, tap and hold down on their name until a menu pops up. From this menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can control how you receive alerts from that specific friend. After that, tap on Notification Settings. You'll now see options that let you customize how Snapchat notifies you about messages from this person. Look for the option labeled Mute Chats and toggle it on. As soon as you do that, Snapchat will give you a few duration options. Select for 24 hours. And that's